Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to reset settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset, and here tap on Reset Phone. As you can see right here, we've got the option we're looking for, so reset all settings. So let's simply tap on it. Here we have to confirm it with our screen lock and tap on reset. Here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone, so be aware about that, and simply tap on reset. And now we have to wait until this process will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.